3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket. And a beautiful ascent of the Falcon 9 rocket lifting high above Florida's Space Coast. And we're getting some great views from our tracking team here. This view from our tracking camera here at the press site. Falcon 9 now traveling faster than the speed of sound. Coming up on Max-Q, one of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. There's the call out for Max-Q. Coming up on a few different events in fairly rapid succession here. We'll have first stage main engine cutoff at about T plus 2 minutes and 26 seconds. That'll be followed by stage separation 4 seconds after that. 6 seconds after that will be the second stage engine ignition, and then fairing deployment at about 2 minutes 56 seconds. And there you see Miko. Still a great view of the Falcon 9 rocket with the sun hitting it. Stage separation and second stage engine ignition. And looks like we're going to get a really nice jellyfish effect here. Look at that. Coming up on fairing deployment. There go the payload fairings. Of course, the Falcon 9 flying high enough that it's still able to reflect the setting sun here, and so we're getting a really nice jellyfish effect, which is essentially what you're seeing here on your screen, the setting sun hitting the plume of the Falcon 9, both first and second stage, creating that almost aura around it. And those bursts you're seeing and the big box on your screen, those are from the Falcon 9 first stage. It's the cold gas thrusters, helping to adjust the attitude of the Falcon 9 first stage booster. We should continue to get some great tracking shots through a lot of this process tonight. The lighting conditions are basically exactly what you would hope for on a night like tonight at this time of day with this few clouds. As we're now a little more than 4 minutes into flight. Still very visibly seeing both the payload fairings, the Falcon 9 first stage booster, which is at the bottom of your screen in the big box. At the top is the Falcon 9 second stage. Excellent job by the tracking team here, and seeing some really nice onboard camera views from the Falcon 9 rocket as well. That top right box is the Falcon 9 first stage, of course. You can see the hypersonic grid fins extended. That little more than 5 minutes into flight. The bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you can see the Merlin vacuum engine continuing its burn, and from its vantage point, the sun has not quite set over the horizon line of the Earth. You see the start of that entry burn. Going in between some cloud layers from Pete Carson's vantage point here.
We're now T-minus 16 minutes, 48 seconds and counting.
Energy burn is wrapped up in real time, about to end on
Got just a little under
SpaceX feed as well.
remaining before the big vent wraps up here. As you can see, it's starting to taper off.